Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to access bookmarks in Google Chrome on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, it's important to know one simple thing. On a computer, Google Chrome has settings called a bookmarks bar that shows all your saved websites at the top of the screen. But on an iPhone, Google Chrome does not have a bookmarks bar. This is because the screen is smaller. But don't worry, you can still see and use your bookmarks easily. First, open the Google Chrome on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on the three dot at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on Bookmarks. You can easily see all your saved bookmarks. If you have folders, tap on a folder to open it. Then tap on any website to open it. Next, let me show how to add a bookmark. Open any website you like. Tap the three dot at the bottom and now tap Add to Bookmark. Your website is now saved and can be found in the bookmarks menu anytime. If you want faster access, you can keep your most used website at the top of the bookmarks list by organizing them into folders. So remember, there is no bookmarks bar on Chrome for an iPhone, but you can quickly access all your bookmarks using the three dot menu. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.